He who fears death will never do anything worth of a man who is alive. To live is the rarest thing in the world. Most people exist. That is all. The more I read, the more I acquire, the more certain I am that I know nothing. He who has a why to live can bear almost any how. What you do not want done to yourself, do not do to others. The superior man is modest in his speech, but exceeds in his actions. He who is brave is free. The best revenge is to be unlike him who performed the injustice. It is not that we have a short time to live, but that we waste much of it. It is not the man who has too little, but the man who craves more that is poor. The only real failure in life is not to be true to the best one knows. All that we are is the result of what we have thought. Ignorance, the root and stem of all evil. True happiness is to enjoy the present, without anxious dependence upon the future. He suffers more than necessary, who suffers before it is necessary. We cannot choose our external circumstances, but we can always choose how we respond to them. We have 2 ears and 1 mouth so that we can listen twice as much as we speak. Very little is needed to make a happy life. It is all within yourself and your way of thinking. It does not matter how slowly you go as long as you do not stop. Nature does not hurry, yet everything is accomplished. Knowing yourself is the beginning of all wisdom. The greatest glory in living lies not in never falling, but in rising every time we fall. The soul becomes dyed with the color of its thoughts. The first and greatest victory is to conquer yourself. Change is the only constant in life. The will to win, the desire to succeed, the urge to reach your full potential. These are the keys that will unlock the door to personal excellence.